My name's Scott Taylor, I'm the Chief Operating Officer for Southern Cross Group, and we'd like to invite you to the workshop on how to detect lies and also to improve your skills on identifying emotion. Have you ever been lied to? Would you like to improve your skills in detecting deceptive behaviour? Be it either from a personal or a professional front, everybody could benefit from these sort of life skills on how to detect a deceptive behaviour. From a HR and interviewing point of view, to make sure that people are being truthful with regards to their statements, through to security and law enforcement personnel, helping to detect deceptive behaviour can be of benefit to us all. Southern Cross Group, in partnership with City TATTERSALS Club, are going to, on the 23rd of October, be conducting a workshop with Elly Johnson, an industry expert like you who's going to be providing fantastic training material and some wonderful takeaways over a 3-hour session to really help improve these skills. For more information with regards to the location and also the ticket information for this exciting opportunity, please have a look at the link below. Thanks very much. I really look forward to seeing you there.